Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Asphalt 9 Legends, the highly anticipated successor to Asphalt 8, is now open for pre-registration on the Play Store. Gameloft has also released a video confirming that the game is up for pre-registration and it is set to launch very soon. Gameloft's new video, which you can watch by clicking on the link at the end, details all the new features and game dynamics that Asphalt 9 Legends will bring to the table. The game is also said to come out with an extensive list of supercars such as Ferrari, Porsche, Lamborghini, and W Motors. Given the fact that Asphalt has always been a well-known series when it comes to mobile gaming, the Asphalt 9 Legends is going to be no exception.